In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove voices in Elevenlabs quickly and easily. Whether you're tidying up your voice library or just want to make some changes to your account, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. The best part is that it will take only a few minutes of your time. To begin with, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Elevenlabs website. Once there, you can locate the free text-to-speech and AI voice generator section. This is where everything starts. And understanding this interface is crucial because it's your gateway to accessing the voice tools that Elevenlabs offers. If you're not already logged in, your next step will be to do exactly that. Look for the login option, usually prominently displayed at the top of the web page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Once successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Elevenlabs homepage, which is filled with various features and options that you might find useful beyond this specific task. Now that you're on the homepage, locate the section titled Voices. Clicking on this will open up a new page dedicated to voice options. It's designed to give you quick access to any voice management activities, including deletion, which we aim to accomplish today. From here, refine your search to your personal collection by selecting My Voices. This will display all the voices you've previously created or saved, putting them right at your fingertips for easy management. With your voices displayed, you'll notice delete icons or options beside each of them. This leads us to our next task, deleting a specific voice. Clicking on Delete Voice will prompt a confirmation message to ensure that you truly want to remove that voice from your library. It's a standard precaution to avoid accidental deletions. Just confirm, and the voice will be permanently removed. Remember, once deleted, the voice cannot be recovered. So, be sure about your decision before hitting that delete button. In conclusion, removing unwanted voices in Elevenlabs is as straightforward as logging into your account, navigating to the Voices section, accessing your voice library, and then simply deleting the ones you no longer need. It's a quick and efficient way to ensure your library is just the way you like it, without unnecessary clutter. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this video provides you with all the insights you need to manage your Elevenlabs voice library effectively. Be sure to check out my channel for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, take care.